Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video today, I will show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll on different assets using the open interest chart indicators in the 4-hour time frame. At the end of this result, we would see the effectiveness of the open interest chart indicator strategy in the market. As we all know that the open interest chart displays commitments of traders' percent change of futures open interest with the unique circular plotting technique inspired by this publication, periodic ellipses. Also, remember the trading concept of this technical indicator is based on the market activity or liquidity. Let's check this out on gold. As we can see, after the strong bullish spike in the price of gold, there was a massive bearish pullback to $1,805.79. As we can see, the gold COMEX data result gave one green value read. This shows us that money is just about to be flowing into the gold market. Traders with an in-depth understanding of this indicator could have bought this price and set their stop loss below the low of the support level in this market. You can see how the market later went in a bullish direction. If you missed the first video where I gave more details about how this indicator works, please check out the description of this video to watch the previous tutorial that will enlighten you about how this indicator functions in the market. I will backtest this indicator in the commodity market, cryptocurrency market, and foreign exchange market. Alright, with that being said, it's time we backtest the open interest chart indicator 100 times in the market. First, let's execute 20 trades in the cryptocurrency market based on the signal generated by the open interest chart indicator. For each position executed, we will target a minimum of 2 risks to reward ratios. And we will trail stop loss to break even whenever the price hits ratio 1. This is our trading result after 20 executed trades on Bitcoin. We have 6 break-even, 5 losses, and 9 wins. Time to backtest another 60 trades in the Forex market. This is our trading result after 60 executed trades on the USD currency pairs in the Forex market. We have 15 break-even, 11 losses, and 34 wins. Time to backtest another 20 trades in the gold market. This is our trading result after 20 executed trades in the gold market. We have 5 break-even, 5 losses, and 10 wins. Time to make a total estimate of our losses, wins, and break-evens. Total losses are 21. Total break-evens are 26. Total wins are 53. As you can see, trading all alone with this trading indicator gave us a 53% win rate. To have a better win result, blend this indicator with other technical indicators such as trend-following indicators like moving averages or exponential moving averages.